some update of gold. Okay, so currently the the gold on this month of March is already the highest price. Is already aligned with the previous highest price of gold. Okay, but since if we will check, it is already at the strong level of support. And what will be the next? Is it about time to invest gold? Since this is the accumulation of demand, this level. If you will ask Mcnicks, in the weekly time frame, still this is the liquidity graph. Since the, the in the weekly, the previous prices almost 90 degrees pointing upward massively. So meaning tendency prices may fall down, but you have to be cautious because every time it will fall down, again it will bounce back upward. So meaning the prices of the gold is continue going upward, but there is uh, a massive correction that might wipe out your account. So for me, I prefer to trade scalping for this metal because if you will put stop loss and then make some short term tendency, your stop loss will be hit once you cannot position a very strong level of demand or support or resistance or point of interest. So here, these are the accumulation of demand and the from monthly time frame. It may pull back, make some deep pullback, then move upward. So, the 4 hours chart, I managed to trade this one from here. Uh, but if you will ask Mcnicks what will happen next, this is a very this liquidity, this one need to be broken by this downward moves before it will. So it's very, it's not easy. It's not easy to trade this a metal now. It needs to be uh, keenly. You have to analyze stringently or from medium time frame to the lower time frame, and then find a very stable entry so that you can once you engage in your chosen direction, you have to be to ensure that it is already stringently evaluated or based on the top-down analysis. Top-down analysis is the most important of this sort of trading this kind of market behavior. Okay, so as of now, what will happen in the 4 hours? As I managed to buy sell here, trade sell until here, I put my TP and then it hit. It was secured. Then again, another pullback. This one rejection. What is the rejection on the resistance? Another strong level of support rejected the downward movement of this meter. So again, there is an whipsaw movement while when moving upward. So if you will invest, it's better. But for me, as of now, I will wait this level to be broken and then make some pullback before I will invest for it. Because while this metal on this level here, from there, there's massive upward and downward movement. It's like a pendulum back and forth, and you will be amazed and maybe will be shocked. Premature, premature selling of either you will buy bullish or upward or downward trade. All your stop losses, pending orders, potential to be wiped out with this kind of market review. But for me, I have some analysis that this gold will break this higher price later. Maybe following months, next month, or but it's better. We will find very ideal POI. Maybe it will drop harder, deeper, and then that's the time that you will engage in investing. For now, it's not ideal because it's very deep here until then. Maybe, maybe until we'll find a weekly, maybe until here or even here. So it's not ideal to engage in investing for upward. No, we will wait that this highest price will be broken and then pull back, and that's the time that you will engage or find a strong level of support or a POI, finally POI, point of interest, that you will start investing for this meter. So recap, the best strategy for this crypto and metal is scalping. Okay?